Okay, to register the fingerprint, you go to the back, remove the cover, okay, remove the cover. There's one button and second button, okay, you press the second to change to add the fingerprint. Okay, you press this one time, and you saw the display here, press 3. Okay, this is number 9 fingerprint, put your finger, 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, 4 time. Okay, success. Right, and done. You press again the number 2. Okay, done. And you put your finger and dollar unlock. Okay, to change the password, so now the current password is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, this is the current password. Okay, so to change the password, you go to the backward, press 1. Okay, so key in the number you want, 1, 2, 3, 4. So you press star and success. Okay, so you try the new password, 1, 2, 3, 4, and press the door unlock. So with the old password, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, cannot. Okay. Okay, to register access card, you have to go to the back. Okay, press 2, and then to register card, you press 1. Okay, so you just flash the card here. Okay, done, and press again back one. Okay, so when you put the card here, the door unlock.